Today I'm going to show you how to generate a CapCut QR code on PC in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to sign in quickly without typing your login details manually, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app loads, look at the left-hand menu and find the Sign In option. Go ahead and click Sign In, because that's where CapCut gives you the different login methods. After the Sign In window appears, you'll see an option that says Use QR code. Click that option, and CapCut will instantly generate a QR code on your screen. At this point, the QR code is ready for you to scan with your mobile device, so you can connect your account and continue signing in. This is a very fast and convenient method, especially if you don't want to enter an email or password on your computer. And that's it. Once you click Use QR code, your CapCut QR code is generated and ready to use. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.